These 3 weeks in San Diego were truly unforgettable. I had shoots every day, sometimes 2 shoots a day, and we made a lot of videos, a lot of crazy cool photo shoots, and I can't wait to share it all with you guys. But you already can check out my highlight San Diego on my Instagram to see all the crazy stuff that's going on there. Thanks for reaching out to me, guys. You made my San Diego stay truly great. About Thai men, Gote is a very good one, and let's see how to do that right. Hey guys, it's Voudou Ropes and my very handsome model today, Jayme.
Hello.
We are going to tie Jayme.
Kitty.
Yes,
Doja
and
Cat.
the kitty. What's the name of the kitty?
Doja Cat.
Right. So we are going to tie Gote, and then I'm going to show you one more tie. Maybe you will be able to do that, maybe not. But speaking about tying men, Gote is a very good one, and let's see how to do that right. We are going to do the Gote tie, an easy version of a Gote tie today. If you want to learn a complete Gote that is a little bit more difficult than the one that I'm tying here, please check out this video of a Gote that I made like 3 years ago. So you ready to have your hands back for a little
Ready, ready to go.
Okay, so then I need you to get up. Alright, so we're gonna take one hand, first of all, put it here, like that. Then we'll put another hand. Okay, so now you need to turn it like that. Yeah, maybe a little bit closer. I mean, the closer the better. And then, thanks to natural flexibility, maybe not very natural, but I can just put my hand through and get the rope out of here. But usually people can't do that, and when they can't do that, you just grab the rope here and you slowly get it here. Alright, so now we need to tie a single column tie. Here we go. This tail is a little bit too much, but I can fix that very easily. I just do that and do the whole thing again. And let's try to make our knot not self-tightening. It's better. And now this goes up. Okay. So here we go. That's our very first tie. How are you feeling now? Fine?
Feeling great.
Alright. So now I will wrap my rope around the shoulders here. Try to keep this little piece of rope so we can wrap this one around it and apply some contour tension here. So this is it. And check that the rope itself is a little bit not tight, kind of like a tiny bit loose, because we will need it a tiny bit lower. We're going to put the rope through here later. And we're going to tighten this up. Oh, hello. Alright, so if you feel like something's too tight, let me know, okay?
Mm-hmm. I'm not scared.
Okay, so here you can lock your knot, or you can also make a kitty play with it. But let's lock it now. Okay, here's the one, and here go in here, so it's a little bit of a little flower here, and then I will take it that way. But before taking it that way, I need to add another rope, of course. Hello, kitty, where's my rope? Now he plays with your pants. Awesome. Okay, Kitty found another game. So I'm adding the rope with this very easy way to add it, just like that, and then I wear this loop on my ends here. These ends are super tiny, but they're still holding it, so that's fine. Okay. No, 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 give me the rope, please, kitty. So, now we need to apply what? Counter tension. Here we go. This is it. This is how we apply counter tension. Super easy. Put that a tiny bit higher. And this one needs to be a little bit lower. So I will make that a little bit loose again. Put it a tiny bit lower on the arm, because if we put it like right here, then it can't push on the nerve. I'm not sure where is the nerve in your hand, but I feel that in your arm, but I feel that if I put it lower, that might be a little bit more comfortable. So how does it feel when I do that?
Yeah, it feels fine.
Okay.
I'm
And if
used
I
to
do
being
this?
constricted by my aerial silks and the
Oh.
rope, so
Okay, so you're a bad example of trying to like make it feel good.
well, I like a little bit of pain, so
Okay. All right. That's convenient for me. And when you have something like that, so the knot that connects the ropes, if the knot is right here, it's not very good. You will need to move it, because if you have the whole knot on the arm, this will really hurt the arm. But like that is fine, it's not hurting anybody. Here, I put this rope under this one. There we go. Almost got it. And now I will make the whole thing a tiny bit prettier, so, and at the same time I will lock our knots. Now this rope looks so different to my previous one, because that's medium, and it's just so much different. It's so different. Alright, so now our ropes are all close to each other. We can make that much prettier, because now we kind of like have an 8 here in the back. We can wrap the rope around one more time and just get a bigger circle, but for now we're pretty fine with that. I'm getting cold. And I want to put this through here. And then I will start to tighten the whole thing a little bit. If our model is fine with that, then we can make it tighter. If you feel that your model is not like giving you any signs like, hey, untie me, then you can go on.
I said go for it.
Alright, so I need to turn you to the camera now. Yeah. Alright. So before you're doing all these things, don't forget to adjust the tension of the rope, the pressure, kind of like where it goes. You put your finger under the ropes and you wrap it like around here, here and there, like that. You might pinch the skin, but pinch the skin one time now is better than have problems later. So I got my rope getting up from here, and what I need to do is get that to the top one here. Okay. Nope. And to the back again. And now is the moment when you actually can tighten it, like really, like that, or even more, and then you will feel that the rope is like actually on you. A little more.
No, I like that, like secure, tight feeling, honestly.
Nice. So now I do the same thing, so I just brought the rope to the back, and now I'm getting it back to the front. Alright, so now I got my rope out of there, and I just go on doing the same thing 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remove that. Alright, that got tighter. Okay. So before you are doing all these things, don't forget to adjust the tension of the rope, the pressure, kind of like where it goes. You put your finger under the ropes and you wrap it like around here, here and there, like that. You might pinch the skin, but pinch the skin one time now is better than have problems later. Okay, I need you back. Okay, cool. So here again, add more rope and finish the knot. We are almost done. And I put all my lines that are for tightening the gote, I put them behind the big knot. Here, everything behind it. Now this thing comes to the front again. Almost got it.
That's my
Got your butt?
Dojo.
Call him Dojo? Dojo.
Dojo cat.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't realize a dojo was like a rope dojo.
Oh, what is it?
Or like an Aikido dojo.
Oh.
Dojo is like a space for doing Aikido.
Oh, like a
or
dojo.
rope.
Dojo. Yeah. Okay. So I actually named him after one of my favorite artists. Her name is Doja Cat.
Oh, okay. And the last one here, and you turn back. Alright. Yeah, here we go. So this one is the last one. I just get that out of here. And take it back. Okay, I need it back again. There we go. So, ta-da. Make it a little bit tighter. Alright. And here, Gote is done. If you want to add more stuff, you can add more to the chest, but this is pretty unnecessary for me now, and I just want to make all this thing look better. And for this purpose, I'll first of all cover these and make that, just wrapping the rope around it once. And now I'll try to put these things together and looking better. And to do that, I will just make a big flower around it. That's gonna go like, because like you see, like these ones here are not great looking, and we want to fix this particular thing. And to fix that, we need to put all these ropes together and use this rope for that. So that goes over, and then it goes under. Oh, what was that?
I think it was my speaker just turning off.
Oh, okay. It goes under like that, and it pulls all the ropes together. That looks a little bit weird. From here, this goes to this side, again, under, over, and now we are bringing this rope from here to the top ropes. So, got it. And just do the same pattern here. Not exactly the same, but I will move that a tiny bit here. And continue making a flower, because here we already have a little flower, but we'll just make it a little bigger. This one goes over, that means that this one will go under. Under, over, under. And no, this one I'm not touching. And then I bring this rope back down. There we go. A little bit to that side. So I want to bring it here. Now the back looks symmetrical, and we can finish the knot with a yuki fix, which is just wrap the rope around once, get it out, make a loop, wear it on your existing loop, tighten it. This is a yuki fix, and yuki fix is great because you can continue using this rope for whatever you want to do with it. Maybe like tie him to something or continue the knot, maybe wrap it around the hands, go to the legs, maybe go up to the chest. Let's turn you back. Alright, so if we go up to the chest, then we could do just this like regular triangle thing when you fix the rope and you just like bring it back here and that'll be it. Or you can create something a little bit more fun. Alright guys, that was Gote. I hope you liked it. You liked it?
Love it.
Okay. That's good to hear always. I hope you try to tie men too, not just girls, and good luck with that. Be safe guys. Bye bye.
Adios.
I hope you enjoyed my simple Gote today. The idea of getting more men involved into my videos was actually given me by one of my beautiful patrons that wanted to remain incognito, if that's the right word for that. Thanks a lot, girl. I'm getting into it and I'm pretty happy that people are loving it. Anyway, I'm sending huge thanks to my patrons for supporting my creation and for making it all real. If you want to see even more and learn my special rope patterns, then please check out my Patreon right here.
No, honestly, I love this feeling. It just feels like so secure and just like you're safe somehow.
Very safe. It's also important that like you trust me. That's why it feels safe.
Like when I first met you, I'm like, oh my god, I'm so down for you to tie me. Let's do it.
Here we go. Alright. He's so cute with the kitty.